Hey guys, welcome to information gathering, and in this video we're going to be using buzzsumo.com. So now that you have a few ideas in mind, a few course ideas, I'm going to show you where to find the solutions and information to put in your course. This is where it really matters, finding great information to solve people's problems. Again, if you're already an expert in your field or you have a lot of knowledge in a subject matter, go through this course anyway, because I share some really cool places where to make that even better, how to get even more ideas, how to make your information even better. So the first place we're gonna start with is buzzsumo.com. So let me show you how this tool works, and let's pop over to BuzzSumo right now. So here we are on buzzsumo.com, and what this tool does, it analyzes, like it says right there, analyzes what content performs best for any topic or competitor. So in this little box right here, you're gonna want to type in the idea that you found through Udemy and through Amazon. So let's go with the idea I first found, and that was the solution I first found, and that was tasty vegetarian meals. That's a problem a lot of vegetarians have, is finding great tasting meals. So I'm just going to type in here tasty vegetarian, and that should be enough. And so what BuzzSumo will do, it will just put it all in one place, all the top resources on the internet that has been shared the most. So let's, I don't know what happened there. Let's type it in again. Tasty vegetarian. So it's gonna find all the top information from blogs, from wherever on the internet. It's gonna put it all in this one place, and it's gonna list it by the amount of total shares. So in that way, you have a great understanding of what's a good product, and what's a good information and what's a bad information. The bad information won't even show here because it hasn't been shared a lot. So just from the information here, we get 7 super tasty vegetarian tacos, 61 tasty vegetarian restaurants in Singapore. So again, you want to look through what's relevant to you, obviously. So I'm not going to click on that one, but this is a great resource I'm going to put into my product. 7 tasty vegetarian tacos. So I'll write that down. Keep that in mind. Vegetarians still can't eat a tasty cheeseburger, but it's getting closer. 10 homemade, tasty, and healthy vegetarian recipes. So this is another great one. So you can see here by the amount of shares it has, you could tell that whether it's a popular article that people enjoy. So if you put it in your course, you know it's going to be popular. It's going to get a good response. So another one, make your own tasty vegetarian turkey. That's a bit odd. Vegetarian turkey? I don't know what that even means. So BuzzSumo is a great resource, and it's free. They do have a paid option. You could try BuzzSumo now, but it's absolutely free. And I think after a while, it tells you you've hit the maximum number of searches you can search. So that's why if you have Google Chrome, just open the incognito browser, and you could just do this as many times as you want. You could change the keywords around. So I'm just going to type in tasty, or let's go with delicious vegetarian recipes. And there we go. We're going to get a bunch of popular results. This one's got a total number of shares, 6.1 thousand shares on Facebook. Alu Ang No vegetarian recipe, 24 delicious restaurants. You can even have that in your course, a bunch of resources, delicious vegetarian restaurants you should try. It gives you so many ideas you could come up with, and again, delicious Mexican, delicious vegetarian recipes, even meat lovers would love. So that's another great resource. So use BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo, it's a great place to find content that, rather than Googling it and finding it manually, BuzzSumo will just give you all the top stuff that people love all in one place. It's a great tool. It's a great place to find information for your course. And if you go to the left hand side here, you could choose by date. So if you want new stuff, new updated stuff, you click on the past month. So that's what I'm going to do now. Search 8 delicious vegetarian curry recipes for meat-free days. So 284 shares. So it's popular. People shared it, and I know people are gonna love this if I put it in my course. So again, spend some time on it. You know, that took me a couple of minutes. You want to spend some time on it, researching, because this is what's gonna make or break your product, and that is finding good information. So again, if you already have a topic in mind, if you're already an expert at a topic, you want to compare your ideas, compare your notes with what other people say, and then you could put it all together and make a great product. So again, the goal here is to solve people's problems. Delicious vegetarian meals are hard to find. BuzzSumo, I've got, you know, an unlimited amount of information, and I know which ones people like and which ones people don't like. 0 shares, I'm not really sure. I'm going to click on that one. I might check it out anyway, but again, look at the number of shares it has and you could tell which is good information, which isn't. So buzzsumo.com, it's free. You could pay for you could have a premium option, but you don't need that. The free one works fine. You could filter it by date, and you could filter it by language, you could filter it by country, you could filter it by the type of post you're gonna get. So again, BuzzSumo is God's work. It's magical. Use it in your when you're resourcing information for your product.